My name's Missy Sutter. I've been here 10 years and I'm a program transition coordinator. I make sure that everything is ready to go in the transformation from when the builders build it till it comes out on the production floor. I like working for JR because I feel that they care. This is the longest job I've ever had because I like the environment and the people. In the future, I'd like to keep progressing in the job and learn more. They have sent me through Excel training, so I'm learning a lot more with that. Since I've been with JR, I've made a lot of new friends. More people, you bring them in, you make them feel comfortable, make them feel at home. I just built really good friendships here. The insurance is just really good. I like the things that it covers, and you have the options of eye, dental, and regular health insurance, and a lot of jobs still don't offer that anymore. I really like the people. I feel like we're all family. A lot of it has to do with the teamwork and working together, hanging out together, getting involved in each other's lives. If you're looking for a great place to work and great people to work with, go to jrmanufacturing.net.